I'm back, but not in jailbreak. We are in Flawless Game. I play this because it's update. I didn't got 27 subscribed yet, but who cares? Let's just play Flawless Game. I'm so good. Look at my wins. I got like 249, and today I will show you like tricks and secret like that. Probably you guys know Python, Cam, and Luca. Yeah. If you want to see his channel, just it's Cam channel called Cam P and Python channel called what is it called again? I forgot. Oh yeah, Galaxy Lord 712, and probably Luca do not have a channel, so I'm just gonna play hard and easy, and yeah, I don't want to play easy and medium stuff. Let me just open Chop Music too. It's fun. Oh no. Yeah, who cares? Let me just turn on. There we go. Oh no, it's just loaded. Hard time. Wait. Oh, first time that I think that's my friend, but it's not. Let's just wait. Wait. Now, let me just spectate him. I don't know who is that. Oh, okay, her. Oh, he don't know the secret. I will be showing the secret. But this guy do not know. This is a girl. Oh, dude. I think she will lose. Yeah, he can't even go up here. What? Can't even go up here. Oh, now he can. Oh, wait. How did she die? I didn't see that. But let me just play hard. The event, I'm just gonna show you. But if they're not, sorry. Oh yeah, in jailbreak, I got a Lambo, and I buy the fullback and the radio too. It's so fun. I got a Lambo. Probably I will hard jailbreak, like not this time, but someday else. Boom. So easy. Okay, so first trick, just click dash and let's go. Whoa! How do you guys put it? I don't want to do the trick, but I'm just gonna do it, but not for you. Because like my friend already showed us the videos. It's not the event. Aww. It's okay. So this trick, just need to jump here, click dash, grab the coil, come here. No, what was that? What was that? Oh my god, how did I didn't die? Oh my goodness, that I'm so lucky. Oh my god. No, please, water. Yes. No, I died. Why? Why did the trick didn't work? It's wrong. What is wrong? 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 I'm just gonna do the event actually 2 times, then I'm done with this video. Second video, I think I've been showing backward or something else. Backward. Oh no. No, let me play easy. Sorry, what I said, I will not play easy. But, oh my god, dude, that's so scary. Okay, it's not showing it. What did I say? I do not see, but I see. Okay, who's there? Wait, who's? And, oh. Let's go in here and dash again. Dash either. I clicked Slashy Dance wrong. Slashy Dance. Oh, oh, this level is easy. Yeah, so easy. Then, let's go right the chat. This is so easy. This is so easy. I just real, it's so easy. So easy. There's no trick. I do not know like, I don't know like the trick in these, but like sometimes I know, sometimes I don't know. It's called like the full strange killer. Don't go down. Quickly. You can do it, guys. Why they're only girl always. Always. Okay. On the code. On the code. On the code. You can do it. You can do it. What? Did they just did it? Yeah. Probably this is so easy. But no event. But why? How do people will die easy and hard? So I'm just gonna watch, spectate him. Oh, that is a lot. Oh no, they was 5. They need like a lot more, like 1, 2. I don't know. I can't see. Dude, this level is so easy actually. Yeah, let this guy do. It's just so easy. This gonna be a short video. I'm just gonna do like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna do 15 minutes. That's all I do. But please give me the event like this guy do. But probably they do not know the secret. But the secret is so easy actually. Oh, I left. The left. Oh no, he died. Knew it. Gonna die. What? A lot of people playing hard. No, no, is it full? Oh. Oh, my friend is like online, but he didn't play with me. He just like he's saying I don't know. Just stay offline. I'm doing online. Going the wrong stuff. This way. Just volume down first. I'm gonna put volume down here. Okay. Volume. That's not better. You see. Come on, you can do it, guys. You can do it. Just come on. You don't need that. You have that. Oh. What? Oh, it's not gonna be the event. What is wrong? You hate me? That is the trick. Oh god, I almost fell off him. Come on, be the event, please. Hey! Move that pistol. I can do it. I didn't put on the phone. Not an event, but this is so easy. It's quite hard a little bit. It's so easy. Even it's so easy too. I just want a new map, not an event. One new map, not an event. It's just so easy, like really easy. Come on, you can do it. They did it. This guy did it. Oh, dude, this 10 minutes now. I need to go in 5 minutes. Probably. I use on this channel. I think I use that. I mean, on the title in this. I think I used that showing the secret, but it failed. How did I use that if it didn't give me? Just I'm gonna code. But can I do this code? I can't get a code. Why didn't my trick code work? I always do like this, like that. Nope, no, please, do not let me die. Oh yes, you win. Oh, phew, I almost died. Yeah. So bye guys, that is all about Fly Escape, and I didn't show the secret yet, but yeah, I don't care. Bye. See you later. Bye bye. Ooh, I died. Bye bye.